So while you're here, I can fill you in on the build. The boxes are about 5¼ long and 4½ wide. They're made with dovetail construction. These are designed to hold a quarter sheet of paper, so you take your misprints, cut it into fourths, and then use the blank sides for notes. Or you can use the boxes as a dice tray or for rolling. Now this is not my design. Credit goes to Vic Tesolin. Links are in the description. So I made these from mahogany, and mahogany is in air quotes. I'm not sure what this was, but it was not mahogany nor one of its common substitutes. If you have a good source for mahogany or one of its normal substitutes, please let me know by leaving it in the comments. I would appreciate that because I am looking for some good mahogany to use in a future project. The biggest issue I was having with this wood was tear out, but it was tear out from the middle of the board. I haven't seen that before, and it was happening with saws even. And it was not consistent. Some sections would be relatively clear, other sections would look like a sponge. Additionally, this wood really hated hand planes, so sharpen, resharpen, sharpen again. Try low angles, high angles, a little bit in between. It wasn't working. I had to revert to hand sanding everything. The other issue was with how soft the wood was. So if you sanded the end grain, it could quickly throw the piece out of square vertically. I ended up chasing my tail trying to get everything straight and true. All told, I put about 20 hours into making these 5 boxes, and most of that time was eaten up fighting with the wood. Once the boxes were presentable, I painted the inside with some milk paint, and then I dyed the outside. I used a coat of yellow dye to help equalize the color. Most of the board was a pinkish red color, but there were some gray streaks in it here and there, and the yellow helped to bring everything to a more of an even reddish brown color. After that, I added shellac and then I glued on the bottom, and I used plywood on the bottom, so I didn't need to account for wood movement. On a few of the boxes, I filed in some Cupid's bows into the dovetails. This is a design idea I picked up from Bill Carter. He's an excellent infill plane maker. I left links in the description below. So this design element is something he uses on his hand planes, and I wanted to try it in wood. I like the look and I want to use it more in future projects. Now, I'm not keeping these boxes. By the time you're watching this video, they have been donated to a local charity craft fair. The proceeds are being used to support foster families, and with any luck, these will actually raise a couple of dollars. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and comments are greatly appreciated. If you click the subscribe and the bell icons, you'll be notified when a new video is posted. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.